Hello icons, I am Indrajit and you are watching iconicindra. And by the way, I am in my aunt's house. Okay, so that's why the background is changed. Do you like that background? Please comment below. So, today I am going to tell you one big and silly mistake that usually some of you make. What is the mistake? Let me say. I know that some of you sometimes make double questioned in one sentence. That is grammatically wrong. Yes, my friend. Some of you sometimes say double questioned in one sentence. That is grammatically incorrect. For example, let me say, could you please tell me where you live? Could you please tell me where you live? Am I saying correct or incorrect? I said it incorrectly. Yes, you can't say, could you please tell me one question and where do you live? Second question. So you can't say like this way that could you please tell me where do you live? This is incorrect. So the correct one is, could you please tell me one question where you live? It should be formed in a simple way, in a simple tense. Clear? Let me say this with another example. Can you tell me where is my bag? Am I saying correct or incorrect? I said it incorrectly. What should I say? Can you please tell me where my bag is? Got it? Can you please tell me where my bag is? Yes. Don't say, can you please tell me where is my bag? It is grammatically incorrect. You have to say, can you tell me where my bag is? Got it? Let's see another example. First, I will say the incorrect one. Okay. Could you please tell me what is your name? Again, this is incorrect. Why? Because in this sentence, you can split into two sentences and both the sentences are formed in question form. So, it is incorrect. What should you say? Could you please tell me what your name is? Remember, could you please tell me what your name is? This is the correct one. Could you please tell me what is your name? It is incorrect. Got it? Similarly, don't say, may I know where do you live? You can't make double questioned sentence. May I know where you live? Got it? And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up because it motivates me to upload a lot of videos like this so that I can help you improve your English with me. And if you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel iconicindra. See you soon in my next video. Till then, enjoy English learning.